Traditional food and wine in Emilia Romagna, Italy, are totally linked to the local experiences that are lived here. This is why we have prepared 3 tours with the colors of the Italian flag, green, white and red, that combine local specialties with experiences. Today we start with the green adventure. Are you dreaming of a fantastic holiday in Italy in 2021? Outdoor, immersed in the green of nature, drinking wine and enjoying a good Emilian food? This is the green tour we have created for you and your family. We have created for couples in love who want to celebrate birthdays or anniversaries, and for groups of friends who want to come here for hen parties or bachelor parties. Come on, let's start! We can organize a pickup from Bologna or Modena in the late morning and head towards the Bolognese hills. In the farmhouse we have chosen for wine tasting, cooking class, visits to wineries and various excursions in the area, there is also the possibility of spending 1 or 2 nights. The view over the hills and vineyards is stunning. The bio lake available to the guests of the farm. The place is beautiful in all seasons, but it is especially in autumn that you can admire the best colors. Here it is also possible to take long walks on foot or by bicycle, visit ancient villages and ancient historical shops selling cured meats and cheeses. Stroll among the rows, admiring the view or just taking pictures and enjoying, learning from the owners of the farm how the local wine is produced. Visit the wine cellars and learning more about wine's varieties. Sip a good glass of wine accompanied by local products, or learn how to prepare the local specialties from scratch with a wonderful cooking class. Everything in the area between Bologna and Modena is still true and genuine. These places are not yet as famous as Venice, Rome or Amalfi Coast, but if you come here once, you will never go back, because you can experience authentic local life without the crowds of mass tourism. We can't wait to welcome you here very soon to organize your private, unique tour tailored to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Anna. Happy birthday.